Alright, so if you already know the basics of Pika AI but want to use it like a pro, yeah, this is where things get interesting. In this video, I'll show you advanced tips and workflows to level up your results. First, quick idea. Using Pika like a pro means better prompts, smarter workflows, and consistent, high-quality results. Start with detailed prompts. The more specific you are, the better your output. Include things like scene, lighting, motion, and style so the AI understands exactly what you want. Next, control the style and motion of your videos. Adjust visual style, camera movement, and pacing to match your idea. Don't rely on just one output. Create multiple variations and pick the best one. Then refine your prompts based on what works. Small changes can make a big difference. You should also build a simple workflow from idea to final video. After that, use editing tools to enhance your videos with text, music, or effects. Make sure to optimize your videos depending on the platform, like Shorts, TikTok, or ads. Also, save your best prompts so you can reuse them again and again. And once everything is working well, scale your content creation using the same system. So yeah, using Pika AI like a pro is all about strategy, not just tools. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI pro guides coming soon.